I'm Daniel Crow. Thank you for joining me again tonight. You're not alone. Thousands of others are tuning in just like you. People keep coming back night after night because deep down, they know there's something here worth listening to. Let's get straight to business because this is sensitive. For the first time, we've collected voices that most of you never expected to hear. This is just a glimpse. Small edits from over 100 rats we spoke with. Honestly, we couldn't show the full interviews. These edits are as far as we dare go. Take a look at these rats and what they really have to say.
We've been around for 200,000 years, first noticed in Southeast Asia.
We were here long before your cities. You called it the plague. We called it dinner.
I've seen what you throw away. Food, poison, even bodies. And you call us vermin? Look in the mirror, human.
Dude, I love this place. Humans are consumers and wasters, the real scum of the earth. And I love it. I could tell you stories that would give you nightmares. But then they'd have to kill you. And I'd eat you.
Humans waste over 1 billion tons of food every year. We thank you. But honestly, you are the filth of the earth.
Humans bury their dead with flowers, then kill each other for money. Who's the real pest here?
You call us dirty. But we don't poison our own air, flood our own seas, or start war.
Rats under our feet. Thank God for that. But maybe, just maybe, they've got a point. We gorge, we waste, we even turn on each other. Billions of rats watching us, judging us. Are they wrong or just brutally honest? That's for you to decide. Me? I'm heading home for a greasy burger and fries while I still can. Subscribe, or the rats might come knocking, and trust me, you don't want that.